Grooming is so easy with this Ebelyn self-cleaning slicker brush. At the back of the handle is a big button. Push the button and it raises the board of the brush. This in effect withdraws the tines and leaves the furs on the board. Simply slide your finger across and you're able to remove all the furs you've just brushed away from your pet. Cleaning off is no longer a hassle. Having removed the furs, just let go of the button. The board is retracted and the tines are back to its normal position. You're ready for another brush. Visit Ebelyn.com for the product and promotion details.